How to sign up or create a Facebook account using Facebook Lite. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can sign up Facebook using Facebook Lite. So without any delay, let us just jump right into it. For that, go ahead and open up Facebook Lite once it is installed on your device. And once you open it up, you'll be finding this interface on the screen. So the next step in order to create up your Facebook account is you can find a create a new account option in the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on it. Once tapped on it, you'll be finding get started and find my account. Since we are creating, go ahead and tap on the first option. On the first section, you need to enter up the username, first name and your surname. You can just go ahead and type in your first name and your surname. After that, tap on next and set up a birth date in which year you were born and tap on set. After that, tap on next and you need to specify your gender. You can specify your gender that you are. After that, tap on next and you need to enter up a mobile address you have available. Otherwise, you can also sign up with your email address. For now, I am using an email address. Once you do that, you can just go ahead and enter up your email address here. And once that is done, tap on next, and after that you should be able to set up your account and your account should be created on Facebook Lite. So therefore, that is it. That is how you create up a Facebook account in Facebook using Facebook Lite application. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.